In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find notifications on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and basically all you have to do in order to find your notifications is just go to Notification Center. To do that, just swipe down from the middle top of the screen, just like that, and that will show you your notifications. If notifications are hidden, you may need to just swipe up, just like that, to show them. Now I got just one notification here. We can tap at that X icon to clear it, and also we can swipe to the left, and that gives us options tool, and we can mute notifications from this app for 1 hour for today. Also we can turn off notifications for that particular app, and if we tap at View Settings, we can configure it more specifically. If you don't get notifications from a particular app, you need to go to Settings, then Notifications, and that's where we can configure notifications for all the applications. We can change Display as to Count, Stack, or List. I like to use that option. And then if you are not getting notifications from a particular app, let's say I'm not getting notifications from Facebook, we need to find Facebook here, just like that, and probably notifications are just turned off, like in my case. So I can just tap at that switcher to turn them on, and then also I can configure these settings. That's how you can easily configure notifications and find them on your iPhone.